Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete a listing in Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the buy, rent and sell, home loans and find an agent. In the top right corner, we have manage rentals, advertise, help, and here everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete a listing in Zillow. So to delete a listing on Zillow, follow these steps. Log into your account, visiting the Zillow website and log into your account. Then click on your profile icon in the upper right corner, as you can see this one. Then click on your home from the menu options, so your home. Then select the listing you want to go and delete. I don't have any listings, but be sure when you have some listings, they will be here. Then click on More drop-down menu, select Cancel Listing, and choose No Longer for Sale from the Home Status drop-down menu and click Update Status. If you encounter any issues, you can contact Zillow's customer support for further assistance. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.